Good morning students and welcome back. I hope you all are pink in your health. Students, I hope you all remember what did we do in the last session. Yes? Yes, we learnt long vowel sounds and short vowel sounds, right? Okay, so today we are going to study something new. We are going to learn a poem today from your textbook. Okay? So, before starting the poem, let me tell you the name of the poem is A-E-I-O-U. Yes, the name of the poem is A-E-I-O-U. So, what are these? These are vowels and you know them, right? So, the poet of the poem is Jonathan Swift. Let me just share you some information. Jonathan Swift, look at the picture carefully. Jonathan Swift was born in Dublin, Ireland on November 30, 1667. He studied at Kilkenny Grammar School. He wrote many poems, namely A Description of the Morning, A Description of the City Shower, A-E-I-O-U, etc. Okay, here I have mentioned few poems. He has written many poems. Okay, so today we are going to learn the poem A-E-I-O-U. So these are vowels. Let us just revise them once again. A vowel is most often identified as a letter that is not a consonant. There are 5 English vowels: A, E, I, O, U. For example, cat. In word cat, A is a vowel in this word. Street, E and E are vowels in this word. Late, A and E are vowels in this word. Now what are consonants? A consonant is most often identified as a letter that is not a vowel. There are 21 consonants. Okay. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are 21 consonants. Okay. So now, here is a picture of the poem. You can open your textbooks if you all want. So this poem is written by Jonathan Swift. First, I will read the poem, okay? A-E-I-O-U. We are very little creatures, all of different voice and features. One of us in glass is set, one of us you will find in jet. The other you may see in tin, and the fourth a box within. If the fifth you should pursue, it can never fly from you. So students, now I will explain you the poem. Okay? See, now here in this poem, the vowels A, E, I, O, U. Okay? We are very little creatures. They say we means A-E-I-O-U. We are all very little creatures. Now here creatures means imaginary beings. What do you mean by creatures here? Imaginary beings. They are very little creatures. Here all different vowels means A-E-I-O-U. They all say that we are very little creatures, all of different voice and features. Now see here, A, E, I, O, U. They all have different voice, yes, and features. Now here, what do you mean by features? Features means main qualities of something. Okay. One of us in glass is said. Now they say that one of us in glass. Now which letter is there in the glass? Which vowel? A. G-L-A-S-S. Glass. So vowel A is in glass. One of us you will find in jet. Jet means an aeroplane. So which letter is there in jet? Which vowel? E. Very good. J-E-T. Jet. The other you may see in tin. Now here in the word tin. T-I-N. Tin. Which vowel is there here? I. Okay. And the fourth, a box within. Fourth vowel, that is O, is in box. B-O-X. Box. If the fifth you should pursue. Now here pursue means to follow someone or something. Here the meaning of the word pursue is to follow someone or something. It can never fly from you. Now here in the word pursue, P-U-R-S-U-E, which is the vowel U, that is coming twice. P-U-R-S-U-E. Pursue. Pursue means to follow someone or something. It can never fly from you. So here the vowels, all the vowels A, E, I, O, U, they say that we are all very little creatures and we have different voice and features, isn't it? A, E, I, O, U, right? So they have different voice and features. So students, if you look at the poem carefully, you will understand how these tiny creatures have been put in different words. Yes, they all have been put in different words and they are having different features and how their sounds are different, right? This is a very short poem, isn't it? So this is all about vowels. Okay. So here the vowels, they all say that we all are very little creatures and we are having different voice and features. Now here creatures means imaginary beings. Creatures means imaginary beings. I hope you all have understood this poem. Yes? Now I want you all to repeat this poem after me. Okay? A-E-I-O-U. We are very little creatures, all of different voice and features. One of us in glass is set. One of us you will find in jet. The other you may see in tin. And the fourth, a box within. If the fifth you should pursue, it can never fly from you. So the poet of the poem is Jonathan Swift. Everybody understood this poem? If you all have understood, please put your thumbs up. Okay, that's great. Okay, now students, here I have told you the meaning of new words, right? So once again, just take a look of the new words. So the first new word was creatures. Now here creatures means imaginary beings. Second, features. Features means main qualities of something. Jet, an aeroplane. Pursue, to follow someone or something. The meaning of pursue is to follow someone or something. So here are only few new words from the poem, as the poem is very short, right? Rhyming words, you all know rhyming words, right? So which are the rhyming words here? Creatures, features. Set, jet. Tin, within. Pursue, you. Now repeat after me, okay? Creatures, features. Set, jet. Tin, within. Pursue, you. Very good. Students, let us read the poem once again, okay? You all will repeat after me. Okay, start. A-E-I-O-U. We are very little creatures, all of different voice and features. One of us in glasses set, one of us will find in jet. The other you may see in tin, and the fourth a box within. If the fifth you should pursue, it can never fly from you. Very good, very good. Let us read it once again. Yes? Okay, let us start. We are very little creatures, all of different voice and features. One of us in glasses set, one of us will find in jet. The other you may see in tin, and the fourth a box within. If the fifth you should pursue, it can never fly from you. Very good. It is the poet of the poem is Jonathan Swift. Very good. I hope students you all have understood this poem. Yes? You all enjoyed this poem, and it's very short, right? Isn't it? It's very short. Okay. So students, watch this video again and again. Okay. If you have any queries, please put up in comment section below so that I can answer your queries. Okay. I can answer your questions. Okay. And one more thing, watch this video again and again. Okay. Now you all are having textbooks, right? So now you can read the poem from the textbook, right? Mark the rhyming words in the textbook, right? As we do in school. Yes? Very good. Okay? So, and yes, I forgot to tell you, wash your hands, stay home, stay safe, be with your parents. Okay? Now see you soon in the next session. Till then, bye-bye.